Unless you've been living under a rock like some lumberjack, chia pet, Sasquatch sexual individuals, Logan, you would have heard of Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee is this really intensely creamy froth made out of coffee that supposedly floats on a lot of stuff. We've seen it on a lot of viral-ish kind of videos, just going on top of milk. Apparently it's a thing, but I've seen it everywhere, and as soon as I saw it, I said, will that go on beer? So that's what I'm gonna try to find out. To make Dalgona coffee, which is this frothy whip, you need some instant coffee, you need some sugar, you need some boiling hot water, and you need something to add air to it. So we'll go ahead and I guess just put it all together and see what we got. It smells like bad coffee, but you know what? That's the thing with the Dalgona coffee, which is why I don't think a lot of people actually enjoy it, is because the only instant coffees that work with it are supposedly just the crappy instant coffees. But we're gonna try it regardless.
I should just be it.
That was a bunch. I'm probably making way more than I need to. The trick is to really make a mess when you do all that. Boiling water, probably gonna burn my hands real quick here. So we got our mixture going in here, and then apparently we just stir this for an ungodly amount of time. So go ahead and give that a little whip.
Bringing in flour to make.
It can mean whatever you want it to mean.
Yeah.
Beer I
That's
freaked out for
true.
a long time.
All right, this looks like a nice frothy little foam. So hopefully this goes ahead and layers on top of my beer. Oh, some of it fell. Hey, but some of it's sticking, and that's what matters.
Oh, you get a little foam underneath.
Nice. Hey, that's kind of cool. We should probably taste this. Okay. I'll be honest, the coffee itself isn't that good. Mostly because it tastes like cheap instant coffee. But the fact that you sweeten it an ungodly amount, adding a ton of sugar, helps quite a bit. And I can see this going probably better on a beer that had a little bit higher specific gravity. That way it floats just a little bit better. This is doing a pretty good job because it is so thick and bubbly, but... Okay. That's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. I'm gonna try another, just so you can get a good little dab there. Let's see this. There's something about like the rich sweetness of the coffee and then the beer kind of coming up underneath. It just, I don't know. It makes my heart happy. It's a fun little experiment. Might be kind of silly, but it's like if my beer were a milkshake. Now that my beard is all nice and sticky from this first round, Magic Hands brought us some 1020 FG stout. So we're gonna see if we can get this nice and layered on top there. Visually, I think this is a success. Ooh, yeah. That one floated way better. Obviously with the higher final gravity, it's better for layering. All right, let's try this on top of the stout.
Let's go a little bit and lick it.
Other than getting all up in my mustache, it's really good. Okay, well, final thoughts. I'm doing this for Instagram fame because apparently it's the popular thing to do. And for that, I'm hoping it works. For the beers, maybe a little bit more work for just one beer. Tasted pretty good in the stout, but the stout, this particular one, has a lot of roast character already. So bitterness from bad coffee and then bitterness from stout, not so much of a match. Flavor-wise, the fruitiness of our rye lager that already had a little bit of coffee infused into it, with this coffee, Delgado coffee on top of it, pretty damn tasty. But unfortunately, because the rye lager was a little bit lighter final gravity, it didn't float quite as well. That's about it. Go ahead and try it. It's a fun thing to do. Put it on your Instagram, tag us in it. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more weird stuff like this, let us know. Or if you just want us to go back to like, you know, all the boring technical jargon about how beer is made, let us know that too. But also fun stuff. All right, cheers guys. See you next time.